If you've been on my channel for any amount of time, you know that what I talk about here is how you can generate money online and start living life on your terms. So in this video, what I want to share with you is a different way of doing this that so many people do right now that you can tap into immediately. Now, we all know that e-commerce is one of the fastest growing industries out there. And with the technology available today, anyone like you and I can start taking a piece of that pie. And I'm going to walk you step by step through a method that you can start today to generate income online. So let's get right into it. Now, the method that we're going to be talking about today is called print on demand. Print on demand is a business model that simply allows you to partner with companies, white label companies that has a huge catalog of products. And what you have to do is put your designs on their products. And when you get a sale, you send that order information to them and they handle the production and fulfillment of that order. Now, if you don't know the platform Etsy is an online marketplace that allows you to list your products, either digital or physical products, and they drive you traffic every single month. Now, Etsy has over 300 million monthly active users. So there's no shortage of traffic on this platform at all. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can connect your print on demand website to your Etsy shop and how you can get your designs on Etsy in less than 24 hours. Now, the first thing you want to do obviously is to go sign up on Etsy. If you don't know how to do that, it's completely free. Go on Etsy, sign up for a shop. All you have to do is provide some financial information that allows Etsy to send you your payments once you make a sale. So once you do that, the platform that we're going to be using is a platform called Printful. Printful is the print on demand website that has a huge catalog of products, allows you to upload their product onto their website. Then you can integrate those products directly into Etsy without doing anything and just with a click of one button. So now what you have to do is go sign up on Printful and start generating your designs. Now, what gets so many people stuck is how do you get your designs? How can you start making designs? And this is one of the most important things that you have to keep in mind. Now, this designs does not have to be crazy at all. Now, let's look at this example. It's called If Teachers Were Buggies, I'll Pick You. Now, this is a kind of witty, funny, saying that you can put on a mug, and teachers love it, obviously, because as you can see from the sales numbers, this product already made for 84,000 sales, over 84,000. Now, if this mug was making anywhere from $1.50 to $2 profit, now I'm being very conservative here. By making 84,000 sales, it means that this person has already made a profit of at least $150,000 from the sale of this one mug. Now, let's go back to finding designs. How can you get designs like this on your mug? And I want to introduce you to a website called Creative Fabrica. Now, Creative Fabrica is a website that allows you to purchase design packs that you don't have to make yourself. There are dedicated designers that upload their works onto a website like Creative Fabrica, and all you have to do is go on there and find designs that you are interested in. Now, it doesn't mean that all you can sell is mugs, right? There's mugs, there's tote bags, there's phone cases, there's plates, there's so many things that you can put your designs on. Mug is just an example that I'm using in this video. Now, if you come on Creative Fabrica, I've already typed in my search query, which is mug designs. Now, it's going to give me a lot of options, a lot of search results, but I'm going to click on this first result here. Once I click on this, now as you can see right here, this sublimation mug designs is priced at $6, meaning if you pay $6 for this design pack, this is what you get. You get unlimited access to over 6 million graphics that you can put on any of your designs. You can put this on t-shirts, you can put it on tote bags, on phone cases, on pretty much anything that Printful offers that you can integrate to Etsy. Now, you get new graphics added daily and you get 10 downloads for free, meaning that you don't even have to pay $10 in order to get access to these designs. All you have to do is activate your free trial and get your first 10 designs for completely free. Now that you've done that, you pay $6. Now, an example of a design from Creative Fabrica is this design pack right here that I purchased for just $3. With $3, I get this over 100 design packs that I'm able to put on my designs using Printful. Now, on Printful, this is some of the designs that I've created. I put them all on this mugs right here, and these designs are ready to be integrated into my Etsy store. So once you've got your designs from Creative Fabrica, all you have to do is create a design template using Printful. It's very straightforward, and I'll put some videos in the description, some of the videos that helps you do this that I found on YouTube. So you create a product template, and all you have to do is with a few clicks of a button, you can put your designs directly on mugs and send those designs directly to Etsy. It's very straightforward. Now, there's several things that you still need to do once you get Etsy. For example, this teacher mug right here. As you can see, teacher mug, if teachers were bogus, I'll pick you, funny, thanks teacher, give present, blah, blah, blah. You're probably wondering, what does this all mean? Now, if you read read the title of this product, you can see that it doesn't make any sense at all. But what they are trying to do here is that they're trying to optimize this product for certain keywords, meaning if you type in teacher mug on Etsy, this is going to come up. If you type in teacher's gift, this is going to come up. If you type in something like teacher's present, this is going to come up. So this is the type of products that you purchase in order to gift to a teacher, and they've already optimized this product for those type of keywords. And if you type in any of these keywords, this product is going to come up. So this product probably ranks on the first page of Etsy, and that's why they've been able to make 84,000 sales of this one product. So just getting your designs on your mug or any of this product is not the end all be all. You still need to include your keywords, your tags into the product description and into the product title so that you can rank for those keywords. But the purpose of this video is just to show you what type of results you can get by just selling simple products like a mug. And again, if you come on the home page of Etsy, you can see several products that people are reselling. Let's click on this one right here. Now, this is a remote work mug. As you can tell, remote work is the buzz right now. And this is another example of a teacher mug that I found on Etsy. This sells for $13.20 and it ships for $6.99. So at the end of the day, this whole package sells for about $20. Now on Printful, this mug probably ships out with shipping and everything for maybe $13, and this person is probably making a profit of about $5 to $6. And if they're able to sell enough quantity of this product, they will be making a sizable profit at the end of the month. And believe me, this is probably not the only product they have on the store. So imagine you have 10 to 20 of this type of products and you're selling hundreds of this a month. You'll be making a very sizable profit using Etsy alone. So if this is something you're considering, I would say definitely go for it. And if you want to see some videos that walks you through how to list your products, how to tag them, I'll leave some links in the description as well, so go check them out. These are not videos from my channel at all. If you found value in this video, consider subscribing, and if you have any questions about making money online and how you can get started online, leave your comments down in the comment section. I'll be sure to answer them. Again, my name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next video.